Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2019 Kia Sportage. Now of course you do get your LED daytime running lights. You then also get the xenon headlights as well. You then also get these brilliant diamond cut alloy wheels, which of course are a 17-inch alloy. I will go into each and every one just so you can get a good idea of the design pattern that you do get, as they have been freshly refurbished as part of the vehicle's preparation work. Around to the rear, you've also got rear parking sensors and a reversing camera just up there. Then into the tailgate, we have plenty of room inside of here. As you can see, you get 60/40 split folding rear seats, which do fold flat with the boot floor. You then also have a little bit of additional storage space down below, and you also get this brilliant pull-out privacy shelf, which ensures maximum privacy for any belongings in the tailgate. Walking around again, showing you the rear alloy here. In the back of the car, we've got full cloth interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom, electric windows all round, heated rear seats. You also get heated front seats as well. 6-speed manual gearbox, dual climate control in the front with air conditioning. You get satellite navigation. You also then get your various media sources just here. As you can see, you've got DAB, FM, Bluetooth, USB, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Over to the steering wheel, you've got your Bluetooth hands-free media controls. You've then also got your cruise control to the outside and your onboard computer controls as well. You've got automatic headlights and windscreen wipers. And as you can see, this car has done 46,883 miles. Coming back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Kia Sportage, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you with a personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.